Hello kids, how are you? In our last two sessions, what we learned that construction of simple present tense sentences and how to make negative sentence. Today we are learning how to make interrogative sentence. What do you mean by interrogative? Interrogative means a question sentence. So just go for it. Interrogative. Interrogative means a question sentence. No, the trick is same, only we have to change the pattern of writing the sentence. Trick is same as we learn in negative. We have to find the helping verb, hidden helping verb, and we have to make the question. And this, when we are making question sentences by using helping verbs, always we are getting answers in yes or no. So these helping verbs, when we are making questions from them, so at that time we are calling them as yes no answer words also, or we can calling them short answer question words. Short answer question words. See, name is changing according to the work. Whatever the work he is doing, it is doing. See, in helping verbs are helping us to make tense also. It makes us to help us to make question also. So when we are making question by using helping verbs, we can call them as yes no answer words or short answer question words. So now just we will try to make a question sentence. They drink water. They drink water. See, simply we have written a sentence. We have to focus on again verb and subject. Verb. First of all, focus on verb. Verb is drink. But verb is having yes or yes? No. It means that what is the hidden verb is there? You know that. Do. Very good. So, do. So, we got helping verb. Now we are ready to make question because we are making here question or interrogative sentence by using helping verb. So, we got our helping verb. So, be ready. Take do at first beginning because we are making question by helping verb. So, we have to take it at the beginning. Beginning is the start, at the starting position, and when we are writing any word, at the starting first letter should be capital. So what I did, I make it capital. Do, then take subject. Do they drink water? Do they drink water? Most important is helping verb and then question mark because we are making question. So whenever, because punctuation marks are very very important. Whenever we are writing sentence, we are giving full stop. When we are writing question, we have to give the question mark. Then it will become a interrogative sentence. Now, you understand this? Now we will go for next sentence. She drives the car. She drives the car. Again, focus on verb. Verb is having drive. Drive में क्या लगा है? Yes. So drives. So it means that hidden helping verb is does. So just ready to make a question. Take this does first. Does she drive the car? Drive the car. Does she drive the car? But question mark is very, very important. Now what I did here, one very, very important rule you have to keep in mind when we are writing the sentence using does. If you are using does in the question, you are making sentence by using does, question sentence using does, then you have to remove s or es from the verb. So I have written here drive. I have not written drives. I written drive. Does she drive the car? Understand? So always this is for interrogative sentence. I hope you understand about the interrogative sentences, how to make it. Simple rule you have to keep in mind. If we are making question sentence by does, you have to remove yes or es from the verb. And if you are making by the do, no need, because already we have not added yes or es to the verb. Simple things. I hope you understand. So it is about how to make or how to construct negative sentence we have learned, interrogative sentence also we have learned, and how to construct sentence in simple present tense also we have learned. So children, do practice of making sentences in different kind of sentences in simple present tense. Have a nice day, beta. Do practice. Bye bye. Stay safe.